guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's Walgreen video. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you like it here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I have some easy to follow deals in this video, and if you have one of those boosters, the $7 Walgreen cashback when you spend $30, I will show you a good scenario to put some deals together. That way it will cost less. A very good deal to start with is not giving back any Walgreen cash or register reward. Is this Walgreen brand storage bag or the sandwich bags. They are priced at $2.79 and they are on sale for buy one get two free. So pick up 3 of the ones you like, pay the $2.79. You can use Walgreen cash or any register reward you have and you get 2 free, making all 3 items just $2.79 or 93 cents each. The first deal I have here will be on the Dawn dish soap. They're on sale for $1.24, and when you buy 2, you get back $1 register reward. The 2 of them are going to total $2.48. Pay that and get $1 register reward back, making both items just $1.48 or 74 cents each. I checked out this deal by itself and it went very well. I used the $1 register reward I earned last week from doing this same deal, and I also used the $1 Walgreen cash, paid the rest out of pocket, and I got back my $1 register reward. And another thing that happened was I got a booster. That's a $7 Walgreen cash back when I spent $30. The next deal I have is buy 3 get back $3 register reward, and Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaner is part of it. They're actually on sale for $2.69. Pick up 3, that would total $8.07. We have a 50 cents in our app. That's all I have in mind. It's going to drop it down to $7.57. Pay that and get $3 register reward back, making all 3 items just $4.57 or $1.52 each. The deal I have is not giving back any Walgreen cash or any register reward, but the Lysol Clean Air Sanitizer are on sale for 2 for $15. Pick up 2. Check your app because we have a $3 that will apply to 1, and it will drop it down to $12. Pay that and check Ibotta. I have a $3 back on each item. That will be a total of $6. Then you submit your receipt to Shopkick for $3 back on the second item. That will end up making these 2 products just $3 or $1.50 each. Some of the Crest products or the Scope or Oral-B products are on sale between $5 to $8, and they're on the deal of buy 3 get $5 register reward back, and there is also a 5 off 3 in our app that you can use for it. If that's the deal you want to do, pick up 3, use the 5 off 3, pay 10 and get $5 back, making all 3 products just $5. But that's not the deal I'll be showing you guys. There are some of the Oral-B products that are on sale for $3. The 1 count Vivid toothbrush. Get one because we have a $2 in our app that will drop it down to just $1. And you can also pick one of the Crest 3D white toothpaste on sale for $3. In our app, we have a $2 that will also drop it down to $1. And the third item you can pick up is also the Scope mouthwash. It's on sale for $4, and we have a $2 in our app that will drop it down to $2. These 3 items are not giving back any Walgreen cash or any register reward, but if you have one of those boosters, this will be a good addition to it. I mentioned in the beginning of this video that I will show you guys how to use the $7 Walgreen cash back when you spend $30 booster. This is all the items you need to pick up, and the total for all these items will be $33.07. Use the $2 coupon for the Crest, and the Oral-B you use the $2 coupon, and also for the mouthwash there is a $2 coupon. We have a 50 cents coupon for one of the Mr. Clean and the $3 coupon for the air sanitizer. It's going to drop it down to $23.57. Pay that out of pocket because you're using a spend booster. Then you're going to get a $3 register reward back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for the air sanitizer. You'll get back $6. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick for $3 back on the second air sanitizer. And you will also receive the $7 Walgreen cash. That will end up making all these products just $4.57 or 57 cents each. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and if you try out any of the deals I showed in this video, I hope it works out for you. Thank you for all your support and watching my video every week, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.